everyone, Jen Roque here at stampcampwithjen.com. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Summerfield, Florida, and today I have my March class kit to go offering to share with you. This month I decided to use the Hey Birthday Chick bundle. It's such a fun spring bundle, and I paired it with the Brights collection because I really thought these little dots on the Brights DSP looked like confetti and like a party. So I paired the Brights colors with it, and I just think it turned out great. It's a lot of fun. So I'll go ahead and kind of explain how my class kit to go works. If you'd like to purchase it, I have two options. The first option is especially for those of you that don't have the Hey Birthday Chick bundle. So if you'd like to purchase option one, it's $65, and this includes the Hey Birthday Chick bundle, which is the stamps and the dies, half a pack of this Brights DSP, a pack of the rhinestone basic jewels that we use to embellish. And then if you purchase that option, you get the make and take packets and the PDF and the video tutorials for free. So it's actually a really good deal. And what I do is after the class closes out, I will package everything, order everything, and then I will ship it to you along with the make and take. So that's a great option to get product and make and takes and a whole complete class package for a really good deal. And then the other option is if you have the Hey Birthday Chick bundle already, then you would just purchase the kit. So I would make the 4 make and take packets for you, the PDFs and the video tutorials I email. And that would be $20 if they're being shipped to you, or $15 if you're local to Summerfield and you'd like to pick them up. I will not stamp the images for you. That's something that Stampin' Up! Does not allow us to do, and if I did, it would be very time consuming. So what I do is I include a little bit of extra basic white paper for you to stamp your images as you need to for these projects. More details. The deadline for this is Tuesday, March 9th. So if you would like to purchase either one of those options, just send me an email at stampcampwithjen@gmail.com and let me know that you'd like to purchase either option one with the whole product kit with the DSP, the rhinestones, the bundle, and the make and takes and tutorials, or option two with just the kits, the make and take kits and the tutorials. Let me know what you want, and then I'll arrange for payment. It'll be through PayPal. And once we get that all taken care of, I'll send you a confirmation email and everything, letting you know that you're registered. On Wednesday, March 10th, everybody that has purchased my class, I put them into a fun like mystery prize drawing, and it's different every month. I choose a different prize. They're usually really good prizes. It could be a stamp set, or maybe like a Memories and More card pack, or laser paper. There's lots of different things that I do. So I will put everybody in, and I will announce the winner and what the mystery prize is. And then what I do is I take that mystery prize, and whoever wins, I send it out in your class packet. So that's another fun way to kind of participate in the class and get fun free stuff. So the shipping and pickup for these kits. So I will not order the product for the packets until after the class closes out, just so that I don't order extra product that I don't need, and I make sure I have everything that I need for you guys for class. So I will order it after the class closes out. So the earliest these will ship is Wednesday, March 24th, and then porch pickup will be sometime between Thursday, March 25th, and Tuesday, March 30th. Also, my classes, I do like a class punch card, so these count towards my Stamp Camp class punch card. I will keep track of it for you, but when you purchase 11 of these classes, you get the 12th one for free. Okay, I think that's it. So again, I hope you're very interested in this class. I put a lot of time and effort into it. I really wanted it to be a fun class for you guys, really something kind of easy to do. And I hope that you're really excited about it. I'm excited to share it with you. So please don't forget, March 9th is the deadline. Please contact me. If you have any questions, you can call me at 240-578-5644 or email me at stampcampwithjen@gmail.com. All right, guys. Well, I hope to talk to you soon. And until next month, be safe, and happy stamping. Bye.